Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats Out Create and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another week of the Farmhouse collaboration, and this is hosted by Crafty Beginnings Michelle and my scrapbook loft Miss Judy. And we were supposed to recreate or create something farmhouse for Christmas, and it is using our stash. Stuff that we find around our house, outside nature. So I've been using up my stash, and as you guys seen in the previous videos, I've been using basically the same ribbons, and this I did another project using the same ribbons and basically trying to piece everything together so it looks like it's when it's all done, it all comes together. So this time I went ahead and I had these pillowcases that I bought a few years ago at Michael's, and I've been saving these because I was going to start my own shop, and I'm still waiting for that. So patience is a virtue. So anyways, I wanted to go ahead and use one of these, and I went ahead and put the ribbon, this beautiful holiday, it has a reindeer and it reminds me of Farmhouse, and that's what I've been using for my projects. And I also went ahead and made a little bow right here, and I did some twine, and I had these beads. So, and then I put a lace around this right here, and that's it. I made it really simple this time. Sometimes simple is cute and nice. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and sorry it's a short video. So but hopefully you guys like this project, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hopefully you subscribe. And thank you again for watching, and I will link all the other ladies that are on this collaboration down on the description below, so don't forget to go over and check them out, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.